Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Sheets with editing restrictions, step by step. This is useful when you want others to view or comment on your spreadsheet without making changes to your data. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and select the spreadsheet you want to share. Once your spreadsheet is open, click the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. A sharing window will appear. Next, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the spreadsheet with. After adding the recipients, look at the Permission drop-down menu next to their names. By default, it may be set to Editor. Click the drop-down menu and choose Viewer if you only want them to view the spreadsheet. You can also select Commenter if you want them to leave comments without editing the content. Once you've selected the appropriate permission level, click Send. The recipients will receive an invitation to access the spreadsheet. If you're sharing with a link, click Copy Link and then adjust the general access permissions. Make sure the permission is set to Viewer or Commenter instead of Editor. This will prevent people from making changes to your spreadsheet. You can return to the Share settings at any time to update or remove permissions. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Google Sheet with editing restrictions. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.